and we're going to pair it with some chicken breast today. In your email, you'll get a recipe card for chickpeas, so you can do roasted chickpeas instead of chicken if you want an option, an alternative. But we're not going to go through that today. We have a breakfast cobbler that's made with steel-cut oats and berries. There's a berry cobbler and an apple one. So that'll be our breakfast, and that's something that you can put in the crock pot overnight and have for breakfast in the morning if you have a bunch of family and people to feed. And then for our snack, we're going to make some really delicious plantain patties, and they're paired with a guacamole and pico.
Whether it's a walk after dinner or your exercise routine, like on the days where you know you will overindulge, make sure you move.